Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to yet another Amazon kurta set haul video. I'm here with a quick kurta set haul and again something which you can wear for festivities that's coming up, or these kurta sets would be perfect for small festivities or office, or if you just want to go out for lunch or brunch maybe, these would be just the perfect ones. And here I have all of them, so let's get started with the video. The very first one is a three-piece set, and it is from the brand Indoera again, which I personally trust because फैब्रिक क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा निकला था. एंड बिल्कुल यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द स्टिच, द फैब्रिक, द कलर एंड एवरीथिंग विद दिस ब्रांड. प्लस अफोर्डेबल है, लाइक for a three-piece set the price is justified. So let's talk about the set. It's in white. I love whites, and with very beautiful pastel thread embroidery done. It is machine embroidery but slightly 3D, so it's not your normal flat embroidery. It has a beautiful V neckline which is highlighted with a grey thread and a silver zero sequence, and that's not it. It is also highlighted with beautiful embroidery done over the yoke. You can see very intricate and small floral embroidery is done on the yoke. With that you get these mega sleeves which are more broader towards the end, so now you don't get like 3/4 sleeves. Mega sleeves are in trend, so more of like Pakistani style. And that's not it. Towards the edges you get the same embroidery done on both the sides, and ends पे इस तरह से parrot green crochet lace is also added. So those were the sleeves, and the main kurta body has again small motifs, छोटे छोटे बूटे किए हुए हैं thread embroidery के again till the end. So it is basically a straight fit kurta with the same crochet lace detailing on the sides, and अंदर से अस्तर का lining दिया हुआ है, so you do get a lining inside, cotton lining again to go along with. These are semi elasticated bottoms, white again, and the edges have the same thread embroidery done. Straight fit bottoms to go along with it. Pure cotton material, very good material. And that is the full length dupatta that you get. It has like a bright contrast of parrot green done on the edges, so एक अच्छा color element add होगा, and rest it is white. So very pretty again. I think ये perfect होगा for daily wear, office wear, छोटे मोटे functions में यहाँ वहाँ भी you can like wear it. It is cotton, super soft and manageable. Love the fabric of this. Now this set is available for just 1699 rupees, so 60% discount पे 1699 rupees में ये set available है, and that is how it looks on the model. 1699 is the price. I would leave the link in the description so you can check it out from there. I picked up the size small this time because medium के pants मुझे इंडोरा के बहुत बड़े हो जाते थे, इसलिए this time specifically I ordered small size. Now this is the second kurta which I was eyeing since so long, which is from W, and finally I made up my mind to purchase it. ये थोड़ा expensive था, बाकी सारे affordable है like price wise and everything. ये वाला हल्का सा expensive है, and I thought ये pant plus kurta का set है, but it's actually just the kurta. So it is from W and it has a very beautiful embroidery. So basically a normal keyhole neckline आपको मिलेगा scoop neck के साथ, and it has blue floral printing done with a contrast fabric, a checkered fabric on the side panels of the kurta, and that's not it. The contrast fabric, there are small motifs of hand embroidery done, so it looks very pretty again. The dividation of the fabric is highlighted with the crochet lace, so that is like a straight fit A-line kurta. And talking about the sleeves again, 3/4 sleeves but with a slit over here and rounded pattern. So again the slit and overall the main body is different of it, and I really liked it. It is very pretty, perfect for office wear. I guess this would be just the one for you. अगर office में comfortable and कुछ classic आपको पहन के जाना है, then you can definitely try it out. That is how it looked on the model, and it's very pretty. So ये वाला कुछ 2200 में मैंने purchase किया था, and I picked up the size medium. So that was the second piece. उसके बाद from Indoera I have another beautiful kurta pant set, and I love the burgundy purple tone of this kurta set. So talking about the kurta, it comes with a scoop round neckline, a stand collar neckline like this, and इसके साथ you get दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अगेन आई थिंक 3/4 स्लीव्स या तो ये 3/4 स्लीव्स आपको कुछ इस तरीके से मिलेंगे एंड द स्लीव्स हैव this kind of embroidery done. It is now 3D embroidery, so like big flowers and petals, leaves का ऐसा embroidery किया हुआ है beige color से, so quite a contrast is added. So that is the straight fit kurta. On the entire kurta you would find the same flower and leaf wala abstract embroidery done. So that's the kurta basically. पीछे से ये प्लेन है, आगे के साइड ऐसा कुछ एम्ब्रॉयडरी किया हुआ है. आई थिंक यू कैन सी इट बेटर व्हेन आई tried it in the try on part. So ये उसका कुर्ता है. It is cotton material again, very good fabric. and इसके pants कुछ इस तरीके के trousers है, semi elasticated with pockets, straight fit trousers, and towards the edges you would find katha stitch done, so on both the sides. So those were the trousers. Now that is how it looked on the model. Classic piece that would never go out of trend, and I picked up the size small again in this. No sorry, I think I picked up the size medium क्योंकि at that time small available नहीं था, but अब small available है. And this is priced at 1299. 1299 is the price of the set. Link नीचे मिल जाएगा description में. And lastly, I picked up this set from Fashor. It's a A-line kurta and pant set. So talking about the kurta first, a beautiful rusty peach, like dusty peach color, and it comes with a very nice ghera. The fabric is again cotton and thick cotton material, perfect for the winter time. So the neck here is something like this. It just goes in a straight V but does not end in a V, just like something that I've worn right now. It just scoops down, and then you have like a fabric added extra so that there's no much of skin show happening. And with that you get like full sleeves over here, and the end is again with beautiful white beige colored lace, and those were the sleeves. The main kurta fabric is very simple, dust. The main kurta fabric has a floral print done all over, very very beautiful. It has a nice ghera, no slits happening, but I think it is quite comfortable to walk around, so you would not have to worry about it. So that is about the kurta, and iske saath you get these beige colored fully elasticated trousers जो आप किसी के भी साथ पेयर कर सकते हो. So these are your parallels basically. So थोड़े से ये चौड़े हैं नीचे से, basically parallels है, straight fit parallel trousers. So that's like the set. Again I feel बहुत classic piece है, perfect for office wear or small brunch parties or something like that. You can like easily rock this dress. So ये जो piece है ये मैंने size M में लिया है, फिलहाल out of stock है, but you can like check out the description for their links. तब तक आ भी जाए stock में. This was available for 1173 rupees, and that is how it looked on the model. So yes, those were all of the pieces. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Do not forget to check out other haul videos as well, so that you get the best of the sale, because Amazon के sales अभी start हो जाएंगे. I think 23rd से इनके sales start हो जाएंगे, and बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे discounts हो गए on brands. So I think this is like the best time to shop your wish list. So check out the description for the links, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Namaste and keep trending.